What is this? What? Like, ew. This is stuck into my view system. It's already so ugly. I hate that. Why? Why y'all do this? Why? Hey guys, thank you for tuning into today's video. I'll be showing you how I use Anastasia Beverly Hills Soft Glam palette to achieve this eye look. So if you're interested in seeing how I did this and want to see what I think about the palette overall, then keep watching, darling. Keep watching. Alright, so we're going to start with the eyes already primed, prepped, based, powdered, and ready to go. We finna start with the shade Sienna, and we're gonna put that all over the crease. I'm sorry, the lighting will go in and out because the sun is just being hella disrespectful right now. What? Oh, Jesus be offense. Jesus be offense. Jesus be offense. I'm so excited because Patricia Bright is totally coming out with merch, and she's wearing a shirt that says wow. And I just saw it on her Instagram and I'm so hyped, and I totally want one. So I hope she has plus sizes. So yeah, that was random, but yeah. As you can see, the shade Sienna is blending out beautifully. Oh my god, beautiful, beautiful. So next we're going in with the shade Mulberry, and it's just a deeper a deeper burgundy color, and we're just gonna use the same brush, just only coating the tip, tap off the excess, and we're gonna start right here at the edge and then blend our way inwards. Oh, did you guys see my friend Jessica? So she kind of just stopped by unannounced, but she didn't have anywhere to stay apparently. I kind of had no choice but to let her kick it with me. So she'll be here for a couple days. Jessica, say hi. 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 Hi, guys. You're going to take an eyeshadow brush and we're going to pick up the shade Orange Soda. So if you want to be super precise, this would be a cute cut crease look, but you know, you don't want to do all that work sometimes. You just want to throw some shadow on and have it look good. You feel me? You feel me? So if I look crazy applying eyeshadow on this eye, it's because I can't really see out of this eye. It's blurry. I have a condition called uveitis. So this is why I usually do this eye before I get on camera and only show you guys the eyeshadow on this eye. So I have to like do like this so that I can see what I'm doing while applying the eyeshadow with the same eye. And y'all, it's a struggle, okay? We're gonna take a pencil shader brush and we're gonna go in with the shade Rustic. And we're gonna use Rustic to kind of build the depth between the transition color and the lid color. So it's not too smoky, we're just adding definition. So as you can see, the shade Orange Soda was starting to blend away when I added Rustic, so we're just gonna go back and pop that on the lid again because we really want this color to pop. It is the start of the show. After me, of course. But I'm gonna add some liner because I feel like they really make looks like this pop, particularly with the lighter lid color. So pray for me, y'all. This liner situation be real. So we just gonna go in front of the mirror because y'all know I'm blind. Don't judge me. So I'm gonna go in and apply the shade Mulberry on the bottom lash line. And then lastly, I'm gonna apply some mascara to the top and bottom lash. But all in all, I can say that I truly enjoyed using this palette. I know a lot of people are concerned with the formulation, but I believe that they said that it's the same formula as Modern Renaissance. So if you're a fan of that eyeshadow palette, then you will be a fan of this one. So all of Anastasia's palettes have some kind of kickback to the shadow. It's a price that, you know, you pay for pigmentation. But honestly, Just the assortment of colors in this palette is just beautiful. These two shades right here are amazing, but I wanted to challenge myself and do an all matte look. And so I came up with this look featuring orange soda, which I am loving way more than I thought I ever would. Like, I honestly am so in love with this look. And I think I need to step out of like my box and play with more matte shadows, but your girl will kick a baby for some shimmer and foiled eyeshadow. But honestly, this is just such a beautiful cohesive palette. You can do a soft look with it, you can do a glam look with it. The transition colors are very brown girl friendly, and it's just an all-around great palette. Like, I don't care what y'all say, it's popping. The packaging I'm not a fan of. It's already dirty. This is my second time using it. Already dirty. I hate the color. I don't like the fabric. It gets dirty, but this is a bonus, but this is what matters. I really like this palette, y'all. It's so nice. I keep holding it like this and talking like it's my mic. Why? But yeah, this is a look. I really hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you in the next video. Oh, grr, oh, grr, oh, grr. Toodles. Yeah, we're gonna stick with this angle because Jessica is being very disrespectful right now. She doesn't know when to mind her business. Just stay out of the room. I need this pimple to go the fuck away. How about that? How about that, Jessica? Go home. Jennifer, go home. John Dora, you're unwelcome, all right? Go to a shelter. Go somewhere else, okay? Go live under a bridge. Not in my face, okay?